I don't call. I tell AI what I want and hope it works. Today, I told Claude Code to give my trading bot a brain, actual intelligence with the best AI model right now. The ability to analyze the market, understand the context, and make its own trading decision. 54 minutes later, Giorgio was alive and he was telling me the links are panicking. I see opportunities already positioned along. It works. Let me show you exactly how I built this. Step by step, the full process. Morgan, we have quite a bit of bots now because we have a trading bot here that did a little bit of volume. I think we had 500K volume with $1,000, which is pretty good. It's fairly good, and we are going to make it smart because now the bot we have is simply execute based on technical analysis, and which can be good in some ways, but we want something smarter. I mean, I want something smarter. I don't know if you guys want something smarter, but we need to have something smarter. So we're gonna improve that one because not happy. Now look at that. Last 24-hour P&L, we're down. We were up all the time before. We were up all the time. So I have 1 hour exactly to be able to change that. So to make it smart. So I think I'm gonna first do a copy of that, of course. And then I'm gonna think about how I can do it better. Yesterday, if you were here, remember what we coded? We had another one. Is here. There you go. Oh, it just crashed. Let me put that one on the window. We have this one that we built that is a bit simple, where it will go on stock fund, print scan, and then it's going to check all the ones. So now I'm going to say, okay, I logged in. That was the problem we had. Okay, it reload the page, and then it's going to check all the coins that are already on this page. And after that, it will auto buy those coins. And it's sad that had to wait to finish it because remember, I don't know if you guys checked the performance yesterday. I'm gonna show the comment on stage. There you go. Oh, I see one comment, but it doesn't show. So you're getting an API from Pubdex? Yes, I do that. Yeah, I get a API from Pubdex, and the bot lives there, kind of like that. Yeah, I mean it lives on my for now I execute them directly on my Mac. But then after I'm going to put them on what we call a VPS. That will be a virtual private server, which means that it will be executed. However, you see, PNL was good, and now we're just going down. So I changed a few things. If you follow in Telegram, I talk about the updates I do. So I invite you to join the Telegram. It's free. It's in the description, and some TG, because I basically did some upgrade that probably were not that smart, and it changed the performance. So I thought like, oh, I wanted more performance. I wanted to change something that works, and I was not really smart. So I changed to making profit with different levels, and I should have not. So I'm gonna be able to change that. I have that in my settings. I'm gonna change that, and like this, it should be better to have my bot working. And we have also polymarket bots that find the best trader constantly for us, send an alert when they find one, and others that will let us know directly when there is some insider movements. So those two are working well. If you're interested to build those for yourself or whatsoever, let me know in the comments. Now let me change quickly the settings in the bots. So it's going to be, I haven't checked the second one. Okay, I'm going to change it to classic. Yeah, we made 300K volume, so that's pretty good. If I show you that, can I pop the terminal? So we're going to check that the volume, our volume is going up nicely, because my goal is also to farm airdrops, guys. So it's like, it's insane volume with that kind of money. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And then like, because our trades are really human, we're going to be able to have something nice. And we have our second trading bot. Let's check his performance. I think that one made a hell of volume. Whoa. 671. However, you see that? That's not good. That's not good. we're bleeding. We are bleeding. So it started long here, okay. I didn't put so many orders. I don't see the previous one. Get out. So we have 3 position right now, which is long BTC, long ETH. So I think I'm gonna try to make this one smart because anyways it's not profitable. So what does it mean? How can I make it smart? Now what we have is a trading bot that's working. By the way, I think I have a video that comes out where I show all the way how I build the trading bot. I have to see with the content team. So we have only long trading bot. So we have that. And then the brain for now is just doing TA. But what we want to do is to bring with AI. So we're gonna have TA with AI, and that's gonna be beautiful. So to do that, what do we need to do? You guys know. You've been here before. We need to plan, find tools, and we should be able to do that. So I have an hour to do that. Hopefully I can do it. I started to plan it ahead because I always plan. Man, my phone is out, but it's crazy. Like the level of automation and things you can do. Like now, I was walking yesterday to get my coffee, and I launched a whole new process that built a tool directly for me at home that use Python to read my scripts of videos and then create screenshot from the video with an article with everything. So it's like the way it front load the content creation is just unparalleled. I just don't know why normal people do that. And it's insane. Now the profitability honestly would have been really on PrinceCan yesterday. I don't know if any of you guys built the same bot yesterday because you had the prompt, you had everything, but if you did, you would have been like, thank you, Antoine. This was good. Let me show you the performance. Yesterday it was win rate 80%, 50%, you had 25, 2x, 21, 2x, 12, 5x, 8, 10x, 4, 120x, 230x, and 150x. That was a great day. Like this one, we saw it on stream. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to buy it directly, but you see that this thing works. Like if you don't use that, it's just I don't know what. I think our bot bought everything. Yes. So we bought everything, and the problem is I didn't set up the sell. So now after that, so many that crashed because I didn't sell anything, but a few that so I needed to enforce the take profit and the stop loss. You see that it worked properly because obviously I didn't buy all those things. Or it spam by at some point. I think like when I was building at point it spam by the thing. This one. I said 400k, okay. I must be like, what's my average buy? Well, 16k. Oh, I know what I did, I think. Yeah, launch. You guys not gonna believe it. I forgot that. I launched an auto buy on all the movers, on all those. And those there is no filtering. But hey, at least I can show a P&L like that. Oh man. It's funny. What about FA? What do you mean by FA? Fundamental analytics. Yeah, but why would you do fundamental on Bitcoin, Solana, and stuff? Like launch a coin now, but if my kids need to eat. Time to launch your back coins, buddy. I appreciate that. I'm not gonna launch a coin. Can't believe we got an entry at like 15k. What is it even about? I don't even know if I should keep that one. Honey, the unicorn is a must. You know, honey. So I'm gonna do 2 things in parallel. We're gonna have the trading, and then we're gonna make it smart. So for that, I need to get back my plan and everything to be able to do that. So Giorgio V2 brain. Okay. Do you think I should put a limit order sell here, or we sell there? I feel like here insufficient fund. I can't even pay gas anymore. That's insane. Stuck, guys. That's where you need to be careful when you do some bots. Okay, let's generate a periodic or a good old bot. I'm thinking to make it call. Yeah, I think every 15 minutes should be fine. So Giorgio, I have a personality. Gonna give a personality to Giorgio. What is the scope of this video? We stay in CLI, it's fine, and then he can message in the terminal. We just want to keep logs. Giorgio, can someone send me some cancer? Cancer. Well, I'm not that lucky because I have tons of coins I can't sell. Luckily, I think on is the best bot get going on memes or perps? What's the better success rate? How much to fund the bot have? You don't need that much, like $500 to $1,000 to fund the bots. But I would say that like now, I didn't get like huge profit with it. Again, I'm focused on the volume. On this one, I know I can make good because like I'm gonna try this. So there's a cool feature on Stock Fund, sell dust. You see, sell dust. So I'm gonna sell every position I have that is below $3. Well, the other one was making every day, and then I changed. I wanted to make more, and then I lost. I was making like $50 to $100 every day, plus 3,000%. Thing is, movers is like the most dangerous one. Have you tried the hyperliquid bot, the open source one? What does it do? Which one is it? Project. I'm gonna make the folder different. The V2 of Giorgio. Giorgio. I'm tempted to. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a duplicate here. I'm gonna do a full copy of Giorgio. Okay, Giorgio V2. We're back on Claude code. So now we're gonna tell him. We did all the planning ahead. So I want you to execute everything in the file. Please use a route that we normally already have. Your main goal is to make our bot smart and now use open router. I have already an API. You can ask me when you need it to be able to adapt the strategy itself. No, we are in the wrong file. Close. There we go. Okay, read the PRD file. We're good. Good. Know you from YouTube. Yo, what's up? Thank you. All right. I'm gonna ask you to use Ralph because Ralph goes through all the steps. Gonna build that. Can you just check STX and FET top trading for this? Yeah, they could be working well. Maybe it goes to 100 million. Like, why not? I don't know exactly what. Man is colder now. Yeah, man. Everyone is. Since Claude Code and Office 4.5, that changed the game. Game is changed. Oh, guys, I gotta show you extra camera. Look at that. Bangkok is waking up. It's so beautiful. Like, how could you not want to vibe code all day when you see this? How could you not want to vibe code? It's funny because now I have exact mirror on the two. And to be fair, like every bot, like even the one I lost a bit on those one on the other one when I changed the tier thing. I'm up because I know the volume there is gonna pay. Like where I'm farming volume, that's gonna pay more than almost any losses. And I send you every time in a Telegram. I'm telling you what I farm, when I farm it, and then I love it because it's like always like after it goes on the timeline and everyone is like, oh, why nobody was talking about this, that? We did. Let me open the curtain a bit there as well. Like this, you have the full experience. Building in great condition. Always first on trend. I wish there's just few trains where I have good contacts. I know some market makers, and then so it's just like that's just the only reason. I know where they go trade and stuff like that. So we're gonna create AI brain module. That's gonna be the first thing. Our slave Claude code Opus 4.5 is gonna do. Create the AI brain, create AI aggressive strategy engine, create AI strategy. I didn't really need the UI honestly. I just want to press on and off. Implement decision logging to logs. Okay, register AI strategy in apps and test and verify the implementation. Where can I find more info about that perps open source bot, or where would you start from making the bot safe? Does Claude cost money? Yes, I'm actually paying. I think it's $200 a month, the one I have on. But you can go with $20. You will have a good idea, then you can start to build stuff to make money with. And then after the second one, it's going to be if you need more, I think it's $100. Then how to start? You can use bots that are like safe. You can ask Claude to check if they are safe. That's what I do. Start with a smaller amount and build on top of it. I'm tempted to put out a thing where you get some coaching and stuff because we have some dev that can help you with this, and we will see what do we do. So he's gonna build the AI brain, and now I guess we can. I need to find a way. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful, guys. Like there's a lot of thing that they sell you as a bot that will just drain you completely. So I just be careful. Just don't do stuff you don't know. Like pay caution. I'm tempted to put out a community where we have weekly or even daily calls to help in building, where we have like different kind of people to be able to find the best way to build those things. Yeah, exactly. Open source can always check them. Well, I know people who've been drained with open source because it just depends how good you are at checking the code, right? Claude is thinking. How much time I have left? I have like 30 minutes left. 30 minutes, so we better do good. Did you keep your Pippin Moon bag? You have a memory better than mine. 420 million. That's insane. But I guess no. We still don't even know what's the meme about. Apparently something important was launched. I see it in movers. But I don't have money anymore. Oh, I know how I can get my money. Luckily, because on Padre I use the Cohen song, I get cash back. I get more. I already made like more than 10 sold in cash back. That's crazy. What website is this? It's Terminal. Link in the description. Or you talk about another one. You can see the names. Do I get roasted? No, I don't. No, nobody cares. I thought like I would at least get roasted, but no, my joke didn't land. Oh! Look at that. We get all the steps. That's why like just learning a bit more how to use. Like you can have something where they do all the steps for you, and you don't need to care. And that's what I like. So I'm gonna put my API key here. Then we have our AI model. Interval we're gonna do every 90 seconds, and AI personality is aggressive. So I have $100 of credit on open router, and then I'm gonna be able to go. So let me get on open router. Obviously, I'm not gonna share my screen. Yeah, you have it now. The Bible giveaway. I don't know. You registered? I should start again the giveaway. Last time when I did it, like 2 times in a row, there was no winner. There's a lot of people who don't have money, which I can understand. What do you think about Russian stalling holes? I don't know. Chatting with Claude and it's saying you have to give the keys or seed phrase to the bot for Dex so it can run on auto and not have to approve transaction. True. Of course it is, yeah. The bot has to sign for you. It is true. The bot needs to have that. So that's why you gotta be careful with what you use and how you use it. And it's a good initiative that you do, chatting with Claude. Now, guys, that's the moment of truth. Giorgio here, AI brain, Claude Opus 4.5, AI powered trading decides by every 15 minutes. Oh my god. Oh, this. I'm scared to launch it. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. Giorgio analyze the market. This is beautiful. I'm always careful of what I show on the terminal because sometimes it's gonna be like, oh my god, Giorgio, don't fuck this up. I hope you are enjoying this so far. If you want to have all the bots and everything, I put a link to my community right below where I can go in details, give you the files, and show you how to do it and what I am farming right now. I'm gonna ask him to put out a. Okay, I want to be able to chat to Giorgio. That might be next step. Next step we should have. How can I chat to Giorgio? We're calibrating technical. Oh, there's an error. We have an error in our authentication. So let me check. What error do we have? I did put the key though. Hey, let me try again. So I'm gonna ask Giorgio. Guys, we don't give up. We're gonna find a solution. We have an error with our key from upon router, but I copy pasted the key. Is it checking the ENV? Maybe there's a formatting that we need to do that is different. I don't know. It says no valid model. That window is way too big. If it licks my API key, you can steal my $100 on the open router. Sneaky one. Hey, make a bit more volume. Have your risk management installed? Man, you got nothing. We let Giorgio find out. Giorgio is gonna be updated all the time. Done. The issue was the model ID, but open router, so it fixed. Okay, we start the bot. Video or not? Here I come with Giorgio. Where are you, Giorgio? Giorgio, last decision. Okay, he's waiting for his first analysis. Bear in mind, I put him on aggressive. Okay, okay. Panicking and I see opportunities already positioned long at a decent entry. This is downtrend is exhausting itself, but I'm certainly not cutting my winner in waiting. Giorgio is drunk. Let's see if Giorgio's gonna be good. 15 minutes. You take too long to iterate. Well, you man, you give me credit. You pay me the open router credits, or what do you do? Like, I think 15 minutes is good. Like, it's not. I'm not gonna be able to do high frequency trading with the AI. Like, what is your back test? How many bots you run? Okay, I think you need the personal coaching, TIM, but the strategy I feel it to trade is gonna analyze the chart and stuff. So we did it, though. We did it. We did it. Giorgio is alive. Giorgio has a brain of its own. The next step is going to be Giorgio to itself upgrade itself. Like, now he trades by himself. But Giorgio V3, he will upgrade himself by itself. Self. It's a lot of self. That's going to be beautiful. And we did it in less than an hour. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, there was 10 minutes that I did off stream where I prepared the elements that I wanted. Okay. I admit. However, we can all agree that Giorgio is going to be a nice one. Oh my God. So this one, that's the one we saw that I was called on many different ones. The Giga World thing, I don't know where it was posted. There's many creations. Jeff, that looked pretty cool. I can't go in, unfortunately, because oh no, I got back some money now. I forgot that I claimed my reward, so let me try to sell dust now. Everything below $3, that's not possible. Do I have cash back? Oh, sold cash back away because I had 150 coins. I bought all the coins. That's it. We're back in the game. We are back in the game. Insane. Oh, it's good that we didn't touch Jeff. Polish cow. I wish I could sell directly here. I don't want to open and sell. Gotta be careful when you buy everything. It's dangerous. The lucky thing is I buy it like super early. I may have another James somewhere. The number of coins he bought is insane. I think that's it, my friend. We did it. We built George. Well, my friend. Mission accomplished. Huh? We wanted to give him a brain. He has a brain now. So we will see how it goes. I do like that now I don't need to think about stop loss and everything, and then it can think of its own. George is acting up on a great path and will have a great future. And never doubt Giorgio. This is amazing. I can't wait to go to the level 3 for Giorgio, which I don't know exactly if I'm going to connect it to some news or some Twitter API. I will see. But what's for sure, if you didn't see the first part, I invite you to watch it. Otherwise, check my other thing that I built, because I'm telling you, I'm going to farm everything with Claude Code. This is my new thing. My new slave. He's literally clicking buttons for me. I hope you enjoyed this. You know what? Giorgio is not done yet. I think we can do a V3. Probably something with news or else. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you want to build something like Giorgio or even copy Giorgio, you can click the link below. There will be my community where you can join and understand how I build this, have all the system yourself, plus what I'm forming right now. Also, I send updates about Giorgio on Telegram. It was a pleasure. Stay handsome.